We would request all MNMG organizers of 6 different cities, please come on the stage.
was a dream of mine. I never knew that my dream will become a reality. Today, I'm very happy, and today is a very big day for me that my dream is converted into reality. Miss and Mrs. India Gujarati is India's first and biggest traditional beauty pageant. It is not just for saying that it is first and biggest, as it is first because it is happening for the first time in India by any particular community. And Miss and Mrs. India Gujarati is the first community, Gujarati is the first community who is organizing the community-based national beauty pageant. And it is biggest because we are having two events in one, two combo events, Miss and Mrs. in one bag. That is why it is biggest event. I thank all my organizing team from Calcutta, Chennai, Bangalore, Jamshedpur, Mumbai. They have supported me extremely well. And my special thanks to Hitesh Sompura, Rajesh Vansha, Samir and Rachna Damani, and my family, my entire family. Not to forget Darshana Savla and all my sponsors, especially Dhaval Bhai Damani and my childhood friend Dinesh Bhai Patel. I cannot forget the support of Shweta Bhabi and Pratap Bhai Jadeja.
अब चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब नाना बागों में बोला बोला रे बोला मोर बदला रे दिल का भूगोल
contestant number 1. Very good evening.
A great evening to all you lovely people. I am Apurva Rushit Shah from Chennai. Thank you very much.
Welcome contestant number 2.
Good evening, Hyderabad. I am Shruti Abhay Doshi and I represent the city of joy, Calcutta. Enjoy your evening.
I would like to request contestant number 4 to come and please introduce herself. Good evening.
A very good evening to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the Silicon Valley of Asia, Bangalore, this is Sheetal Shah. Thank you.
And now I would like to call contestant number 5, Devika Bhuva. Oh, she's right behind me. Ladies and gentlemen, give her a big round of applause. There you go.
Great evening, ladies and gentlemen and respected judges. My name is Devika Bhuva. I'm from Chennai. Wish you all a lovely evening. Thank you.
I would like to call number 6 now. Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. It's me, Falguni M. Jain from Bangalore. Thank you.
I would like to apologize for the error. I would like to call upon number 3, contestant number 3 of Mrs. India Gujarati. Please come and introduce herself.
Good evening, everyone. I'm contestant number 3, Hina Beda, from the city of Chennai. Thank you, and have a gorgeous evening.
Thank you. Contestant number 3, Hina Beda. Judges, I just want to inform you that. And now, I would call upon contestant number 7. Good evening.
Thank you. Good evening, Hyderabad. I am Bhavisha Shah Khara from the city of Roshagullas. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
contestant number 8.
Good evening to one and all present over here. I'm Trishna Ajay Kumar from the city of Pearl, Hyderabad. Thank you.
To invite contestant number 9.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nisha Gala from the city of Nizams, Hyderabad. Thank you.
Yes, exactly, guys. This is what we want. Cheer them up, guys. Good evening.
Very good evening, everybody. I represent one of the cleanest beach city. I am Manisha Hitesh Shah from Chennai. Thank you so much.
Contestant number 11.
Hello everyone. I am Purvi Parekh. I represent Jamshedpur, the clean, green and still city. Thank you.
Calling upon contestant number 12. Very good evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Samita Rajesh Pandya, hailing from the city of Shahi Nizams, Hyderabad.
Thank you. Inviting contestant number 13 for introduction. Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dimple Jariwala. I'm from Bangalore. Thank you.
I can't get no sleep.
Contestant number 14, please welcome her. Very good evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Reshma Mehta from the city of Joy, Kolkata. Thank you.
Good evening, judges, and a warm welcome to all. Myself, Kajal Bhansari, hailing from the city of Nizam, the Pearl City, Hyderabad. Thank you.
contestant number 16.
Namaste. I'm Dr. Kiran Toma from the City of Gardens, Bangalore. Thank you.
Inviting contestant number 17. Very good evening.
Good evening to one and all. Hi, I'm Sonal Desai, representing this beautiful city of pearls, Hyderabad. Thank you.
And finally, last but not least, number 18. Very good evening.
Good evening to all. My name is Diksha Soni. I'm representing Jamshedpur. Thank you.
Thank you.
चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। ओ राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार, गोली मारो तो पंगा, आंख मारो तो प्यार। राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। रख पॉकेट में घोड़ा, दे घोड़े को लगा। रख पॉकेट में घोड़ा, दे घोड़े को लगा। राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम, इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम। धन हो मेघ जवन से लीला ना श्रृंगार निधर से चुल्लो न तेरी पतलो कंदोरो शोभे रानी रुड़ रंग चिगोरो प्रेमी पंखिड़ा छे राम लीला बंटोड़े चढ़िया छे राम लीला। लगे सारे दुश्मन दिखे सब में चोर चोर चोर। लगे सारे दुश्मन दिखे सब में चोर। तेरी बालकनी में बैठा एक मोर, मोरों की है मिस्टेक राम लीला बदनाम।
Contestant number 7.
Hello everybody, good evening judges. I am Ashika Chani from the World City of Hyderabad. Greet you all on this now this evening. Thank you.
Contestant number 6.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Aneri Shah from the city of Glitz and Glamour, Mumbai. Thank you and enjoy the evening.
Contestant number 15.
Says hi Asha from Kolkata to all of you. Thank you.
Okay, मेरा सवाल है, if granted 3 wishes for your country, what would you ask for? हिंदी में बोलता हूं, देश के लिए यदि आपको 3 वरदान दिए तो आप क्या पूछना चाहेंगी?
A very warm welcome to the honorable judges. Thank you for your question. If I was granted 3 wishes for the development of my country, I would firstly want to educate each and every child in my country, because with education one can fulfill the basic needs of his and his family members. Secondly, I would like to eradicate poverty from my country, and third, I would like to create literacy all over my country. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your beautiful answer.
नीलम एशले, प्लीज सवाल पूछिए.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you feeling?
Excited, awesome, super
How
feeling.
is it like the backstage?
It's all with a few beautiful feelings, everybody with the beautiful costumes and all, and to rock the stage, everybody's ready.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
My question is, what is that one achievement which makes you feel you achieved a huge success?
Thank you so much for the question. If my parents, mom, dad, entire family is proud of me, and that day when they'll tell me, beta, you have done whatever they needed for me, it will be my successful day of the entire life.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And now, Anoli Mawani. Mr. Manilal Gala, please ask the question.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice evening to you.
Hi,
My question is to you. Do you believe in the statement, it's a man's world? यह दुनिया पुरुष वर्ग की है, क्या आप इसमें मानती हैं?
No, I don't believe in the statement that it's a man's world, because women are equally in par with men. Thank you so much.
Saloni Turakhia. Mr. Harish Kumar, please ask the question.
Saloni, you're looking fabulous.
Thank you.
I think fabulous word is less, you're looking fantabulous.
Thank you so much.
The question is, what should be the role of a Gujarati woman in today's fast changing scenario? आज की तेज रफ्तार जिंदगी में गुजराती महिला की क्या भूमिका होनी चाहिए?
Welcome to all honorable judges and everybody here. Thank you for the question. Well, according to me, I think all the Gujaratis here should get out of the narrow-minded and get more forward, and always Gujaratis are the #1. So yeah, thank you.
Dinaz, please ask the question.
Hi Ashna, how are you feeling?
Standing before you all honorable judges, I'm having a great feeling out here. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, my question is, if you caught your boyfriend in affair with another girl, would you dump him or give him another chance?
If I caught my boyfriend with some another girl, I would definitely give him a chance, because the trust I have built all over with him within these years is what matters the most, and I will definitely give him a chance. Thank you.
Mrs. Richa Sharma, please ask the question.
यदि आपकी जिंदगी में 5 मिनट बाकी रह गए, तो उस समय में आप क्या करना चाहोगे?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. If I would be left with the last 5 minutes of my life, I would definitely thank God and my parents that had made my life worth living and made my life worth remembering those 5 minutes, my whole of my lifetime experiences. Thank you.
Well said. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi Charvi, the only card left for you. Mr. Amir Javed, please ask the question.
Hi Charvi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, Shavi, imagine that you've become invisible for a day
Okay.
and you have anything to do. What would you do for those 5 minutes? I mean, for that point of time when you're invisible.
Thank you so much for the question, sir. If I become invisible, I would like to help all the people who in need, and maybe in my presence I'm not able to help them, but being invisible, I will help them in need. Thank you.
Krupali Karani. Mr. Neelam Ashley, please ask the question.
If not you, then who would you be in your next birth?
Thank you for the question, sir. I would definitely want to be myself in the next birth, be born to my same parents and everything, but if not, then I would like to take birth as a good human being next life and improve all the mistakes that I've done this time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now it's Krushita Adhia. Manilal bhai, fari ek baar sawal.
I will ask a different question.
Sure.
There is a lot of debate today in India that who will become the Prime Minister. Given a chance to become a Prime Minister, what will be your first work?
If given a chance to become the Prime Minister, first of all, I would want everyone to create the feeling of patriotism. The reason why is because people say that India is a developing country, but why are the crimes taking place? First, get the feeling of patriotism, save the women, reduce the crime, and yes, India will definitely become the richest country in the world. And yes, and I will definitely do that in future if I become the Prime Minister. Thank you so much.
And now Vaishali Patel. Mr. Suraj Thapar, please ask the question.
What is the man's greatest weakness? Wine or women? पुरुष की सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी क्या है? मदिरा या महिला?
Thank you, Judge, for asking me this question. The man's greatest weakness is wine. Because woman is man's greatest strength. So I would not categorize under weakness. Because behind every successful man, there is a woman. So thank you.
So starting with Hina Bera. Hina, please choose a card. And this is the question for Judge Dinaz.
Hello.
Hi Hina, how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
How are you feeling?
Feeling great.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Okay, my question to you is, if you were to nominate the Prime Minister of India, what qualities would you look in him or her?
Okay, thanks for the question. If I were to look for Prime Minister of India, the main qualities that I would want in the person is, he should be corrupt free. That is, he should be honest. He should have the dedication, the drive to take the country leaps and forward. Also, he should be able to eradicate poverty from the society, impart literacy. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Second name, Apurva Shah. Apurva, I would like you to please select a card for yourself. All right, you're like pretty ready, huh? She's so ready. She just like grabbed the card from my hand. This question goes to the judge, Amir Javed.
Hello, good evening.
Hi Apurva, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing well. Are you enjoying yourself?
A lot. Pretty exciting.
Okay. So now, would you like your husband to cook food for you daily? If yes,
Sorry.
then what would you do?
Well, coincidentally, my husband is a restaurateur, so I really enjoy all that.
तो घर में भी खाना वहीं से आता है?
नहीं, घर पे मैं बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती हूँ. घर पे भी खाना होटल जैसा ही बनता है. Thank you.
अच्छा रेशमा, तो आपसे एक कार्ड चूज करने को कहूंगी. Okay. And this is for the judge, Suraj Thapar.
Hello.
हेलो, कैसी हैं आप?
Perfect.
लग भी रही हैं.
Thank you.
ओके. सवाल ऐसा है कि यदि आपको अग्रणी भूमिका दी जाए किसी व्यवसायिक या कलात्मक फिल्म में, तो आप किसे पसंद करेंगी? मैं इंग्लिश में भी बोल ही देता हूं. If you were offered a leading role in commercial film or an art film, which would you choose and why?
I'll definitely go for the commercial films because the limelight there is awesome, and of course I'll go for that only because I love working with Shah Rukh. I'm a big fan of him, so I'll definitely go with him. Thank you.
Okay, I like that at least you're honest. Very good.
Thank you.
Nisha, I will ask you to please select a card for yourself. And the question is for respected judge, Neelam Ashley.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling on the top of the world, just like a celebrity.
That's such an honest question. Okay, Disha, your question is, what is the impact of participation in this event on your life?
Thank you so much for the question. Everybody dreams of living the life of a celebrity. And this contest has made me come close to that dream. I think that's the best and the most important thing that has affected my life. Thank you.
Well said, well said.
Thank you very much. Question goes to Judge Manilal Gala.
Hello.
Hi Dimple, how are you?
I'm fine.
My question is, who in your opinion is doing a more important job, a housewife or a career woman? आपके अनुसार कौन सा महत्वपूर्ण कार्य है, एक गृहिणी या काम करती महिला का?
Thank you for the question, and my answer will be housewife, because you know housewife does all the work from morning till evening, but in the returns they get just smile. That's it. Thank you.
Question for beautiful judge Richa Sharma.
Good evening.
Good evening, Devika.
Good evening, ma'am.
Before I ask you a question, I would like to tell all of you that you're looking really, really nice. And please, Hyderabad, give them a big round of applause from my side.
Thank you.
And not only for those who are here in top 10, for those also who has gone inside, according to me, according to us, for all of us, you all are winners. आप यहाँ से कुछ भी खो के नहीं जाओगे, बहुत कुछ पाके जाओगे. मानते हो कि नहीं? Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no, Hyderabad? So my question to you, Devika.
Yes.
Other than your mom, who in your opinion is the most beautiful woman in India? Why do you choose her?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Other than my mom, I would definitely choose my mother-in-law as the most beautiful woman in India. In reality, I'm, rather than the theatre hero-heroines, but I chose my mother-in-law because day in and day out, I see her in different roles. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir.
Your card, the judges Harish Kumar.
Hi Shruti, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic.
You're looking awesome.
Thank you.
The color is suiting you and you're glittering today.
Oh, thank you so much.
I hope you're going to glitter till late evening too.
I hope so too.
Okay, the question goes here. Just imagine, okay, you got up one morning and found that you were 20 years older. How would you deal with it? एक सुबह आपके अचानक पाया कि आप 20 साल आगे निकल गई हैं. इस स्थिति को आप कैसे पाएंगे? But you are not going to become old after 20 years also, but just a question actually.
If I become 20 years older, I would see myself as a successful businesswoman and also as a caring mother. I'm already playing the role of a wife. So I see myself as being successful mother, and I wish that at that age also I have the confidence and the determination to fight all odds, the stamina to last forever, and a conviction from within to fulfill all my dreams. Thank you so much.
Excellent. What is the best thing about a young Indian Gujarati woman? नवयुवा गुजराती महिला में क्या श्रेष्ठ बात होती है?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, a typical Gujarati woman, the grace with which she can dance dandiya, she can make lovely fulkas with the belan. She can balance the trade and tradition very well. She can be a wonderful housewife at the same time, a fantastic businesswoman too. Beauty with the brains, I think that is something, the essence of a Gujarati woman. Gujarati Narini Asmitane Salam. Thank you.
Wow, great.
And question for Judge Amir Javed.
Now this is a very nice question. If you had the power to change any one event in your life, what would that be?
I would not like to change anything in my life right now, because everything what's happened to me is absolutely wonderful, and I adore each and every moment and cherish each and every moment spent with my loved ones and friends. Thank you.
Lovely.
If not you, then what would you like to be in your next birth? अगले जन्म में आप स्वयं नहीं तो और क्या बनना पसंद करेंगी?
Thanks for the question, but I think my next life I'll wish to be the same, and if not same, I'll wish to be a girl only. I don't want to get any other options either except being a girl. Thank you.
The only thing I can say in Gujarati, because my grandmother did a few Gujarati movies, is શું છે, સારું છે, દંડા લેકે મારું છે. So that's all I've heard as a child. But thank you so much for having us here. I want to wish all the contestants all the very best. And I hope the best one wins.
Thank you so much.
मेरा सिरा मेरा सिरा